In infographics design, we have the choice to make our objects in the infographic either objects with fill and no stroke, or objects with stroke and no fill. And the reason I want to talk about this point is because each one of these choices gives your infographic a different look. So, for example, you can see over here this car symbol that we previously learned how to create. And I have my selection tool selected. If I go ahead and select it, you can see up here it has a purple fill, but it doesn't have a stroke. If I go ahead with my selection tool, click and drag it over here on this light blue background, you can basically see how this will look on a background. So let's go ahead and see if this object had a stroke and no fill, how it would look different. While having it selected, come up here to the fill and give it a non-fill. And then come over here to the stroke. Let's go ahead and give it this pink color. This will look good on this blue background. And then let's come over here to the stroke weight and increase it to about 10 points. Go ahead and deselect. You can see that when we got rid of the fill of this object and we added a 10-point stroke, that now it looks kind of different. And you can use this method to give your object stroke and no fill to give your infographic a different look than giving them fill and no stroke. It's basically a matter of personal preference on what you prefer. I just wanted to point out that you can do this and it can be different. It is also recommended that whenever you decide either to make your objects have fill and no stroke, or stroke and no fill, you have to apply that to the whole infographic.